Good evening and welcome to my weekly recap here for Apple and trade plan for next week. Earnings are in 12 days, so I still have one more week of trading to do. So let's see, Monday here, I took these 275 calls here for the end of the week, obviously. I got in at 232 on this initial break. Now, this here's a 30-minute chart of what I was looking at. Perfect breakout entry. Just did not have the stomach to hold it for whatever reason. And I pushed out of it. I closed out here at 240, only to see these things open up, and I believe they tagged $14 a contract here on Tuesday. So huge missed opportunity there. Should have had the stomach to hold that, but for whatever reason, just didn't hold it. Thursday, I followed some volume and some sweeps that were coming in. These end of the week, 295 calls here at 58, and stopped out here at 46. Going forward into next week, I do still have one more week before earnings, so options shouldn't be that mispriced. Look to take a few day trades in Apple. As I said in my other video for the overall market, if we break above this 289, 290 area, I believe we can have an easily achievable target of this peak up here, 303, 300 to 303, probably just 300 simply because, excuse me, it's a nice round number. Probably going to see a lot of supply right in this region here. But with Qs and Microsoft and some other tech names actually putting in potential hanging man kind of candles, maybe we have a little bit of a pullback going into earnings. If we sell off before earnings, then maybe it's a time to buy the dip for earnings, depending on how far it comes down to. Now, if that does occur, I will be looking to take a position down here around the 21 EMA, maybe even a retest of this breakout somewhere around this gap fill area, something to that effect. But anyways, I did see this little pattern here that was forming into the end of the day on Friday. I thought about possibly taking a position here in some calls. I was actually looking at it around 277.5. Would have been nice to catch that move up to 282, but it is what it is. And now I got to look forward. So looking for another pullback here to go ahead and take a play. Like I said, it will be just day trades. I'm not looking to swing anything through earnings unless we have a significant pullback. So with all that said, that's my trade plan and review for Apple. If you have any questions, comments, please feel free to leave them down below. Have a good weekend, stay safe and healthy, and good luck next week.